Welcome again in the field of jurisprudence. And today we are going to discuss about the definition of jurisprudence according to Ulpian. So what is the definition of Ulpian? Ulpian stated that jurisprudence is the observation of thing, divine and human, knowledge of just and unjust. So there are three essential requisites according to definition propounded by Ulpian. Number one, jurisprudence is the observation of thing. Number second, jurisprudence observation of thing must be based upon the relation of divine and human. And number third is knowledge of just and unjust. So basically, Ulpian is a philosopher. It is definition given by Ulpian. It is based upon the philosophy. So philosophy comes from the divinity and humanity. Philosophy comes from the another world. That was the perceptions of the Ulpian. So how Quran came into existence or picture? Through the great revelation took place in the cave of Hira, and that was observed by Paigambar Muhammad Sahab. So this was the observation of the Paigambar Muhammad Sahab. And Quran is nothing. It is the collections of the precepts uh, propounded by Paigambar Muhammad Sahab. So that's why it is a knowledge of just and unjust. Okay. So basically, knowledge of just and unjust comes from the relationship of the divinity and humanity. And it, although it regulates successfully the behavior of human being. So knowledge of just and unjust try to regulate or successfully regulated the behavior of the human being. And it comes from the relationship of the divinity and humanity. So jurisprudence is a particular skill which is based upon the observation of thing, and observation of thing is based upon the relationship subsist between and among of the divinity and humanity. That's why at last, whatever the result we got, that is the knowledge of just and unjust. So basically, there are three basic elements of jurisprudence. There are three essential requisites of the definition propounded by Ulpian. Object jurisprudence is the observation of thing, relation of divine and humanity, divine and human, and number third is knowledge of just and unjust. So far as observation of thing is considered, so far as the observation of thing is concerned, observation can be once we perceive through our senses. We have five senses, and whatever the information or things or relation of thing and the things, a state of thing, relation of thing perceived through our senses, we have five senses. That is the observation. But that observation is quite different from general observation. Only the prominent and adroit person who has particular command on the theological books or theological knowledge can able to understand this particular observation of thing, and they only can provide knowledge of just and unjust. So Bhagavad Gita, Quran, and Guru Granth Sahib was considered as the book which provides us knowledge of just and unjust, and it comes from the great revelation, and it was observed by the particular or expert person who had depository of all theological knowledge, then they are able to deliver and the preaches, and that preaches accompanied with knowledge of just and unjust. So this is the definition of Roman jurist Ulpian. We'll discuss in next class the another jurist. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.